Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever and wherever you're watching this from. Matt here again, thanks for watching this video. We're back at the Grand Hotel in Eastbourne, and this is a very quick room tour again because I'm leaving this morning, so I'll give you the benefit of what I've experienced this time round just very quickly. I'll come back to this room, just going to start in order, which is entrance area here. So obviously the door is to the right there. So when you open the door, this is what you see. Bathroom to the left, wardrobe straight ahead. And this little area is quite useful. In fact, very useful, because again, you've got your storage, you can put your bags in the wardrobe, everything is out of the way straight away, so you can go into the room and enjoy the room without seeing your clothes and your cases everywhere. Safe at the top, right hand side of the narrow wardrobe there. I had my trousers laundered because I've got the a really big black mark on the side of one of the legs from walking past the cars that were parked close together, and a tyre mark is just really hard to get off. My fault. Okay, as you come in, this is what you see. Sorry the angle's not too wide. I should be getting another video camera at some point soon, but I have a wider lens on, which would help. To the left is the main bedroom stroke living area. To the right or straight ahead is the bathroom. I'll do the main living area first quickly. So you walk in, you're faced with this. This compares well with the other room we had as a comparison, because this is a more modern room. I guess this is renovated or refurbed more recently, or if the other one hasn't been refurbed, I guess, or is to be refurbed, I'm not sure. But this is, in my opinion, more like it. This is what I would expect to see. It's tastefully done, and it's bang up to date. Everything's really nice. It's really hard to find anything not necessarily wrong, but something that doesn't feel right for a hotel. This is another corner. I mean, look at that. It's fine. You've got some traditional touches like the furniture, the dressing table stroke desk there. Slightly traditional. Okay, there's a dining chair with it. I guess there wasn't a chair that came with the dressing table stroke desk, but that works as well, and it just gives you that hint back again of traditional. And as I spin round to the other corner, let's quickly whiz through. It's a bit dark this morning, although it's blue sky, but the road next to me is makes this, you can't see the sky as good as the other room we had because it's you're squashed in by buildings. Okay, that's the other corner, so really nice. Huge fan again by the mirror. Last corner, looking at the bed. This is how we found it. Get welcoming slippers over there. Didn't wear them, obviously, they fall off quite quickly. Right, so quick tour again. Here we go, this room. Here's the huge fan that we had before. Interestingly, I use Fuji cameras, and the room we had before, I plugged a Fuji charger in, forgot to remove it, came back and said, don't suppose anyone's found a Fuji charger, and they had, and handed it in, which is quite useful. Everybody. Tasteful painting. Massive change to the other room. There's your chest of drawers. By the bed, you get these cute lights. They're not so bright at night, believe it or not. So if one of you's sleeping, they don't disturb the other person. Standard room service menu there. I used it last night. I had a pizza because we were down for dinner. We did too much walking. Absolutely shattered. How bad is that? How unfit are we? Okay, this side of the bed. Clock radio. A Roberts clock radio. Good quality. Huge, well-made handmade cushions. Nice throw. Solid, sturdy, fantastic to sit in sofa and chairs. Really well built quality. And wider than you think, larger than you think. I'll show you the view from the window quickly. It is a side view this time, but I'm not complaining. I can't open the window any more than that, I'm afraid, but the sea is in the distance there, you probably can't see it. The hotel there is the Lansdowne Hotel, which enjoys a great position as well as the Grand. Okay, so that's this room. Up-to-date House and Garden magazine. Nice traditional table, used it last night. back to the usual coffee facilities. The coffee's empty at the moment because we used it this morning, but you get everything like before. Really welcomed. That's my empty Coke bottle and empty glass. Again, what can I say? It's the Grand Hotel. Covers everything that you need. The only thing that I would say might benefit from being slightly larger is the TV. When you're over there, it is a bit tough to get used to a smaller TV, because indoors when you're at home, I guess pretty much everyone's got quite a large TV. That one's not very big actually. I think my monitor at home is bigger than that, but you're over here and that's quite a distance away. It's the only thing, but it's not a gripe, it just might be better if it was slightly larger. Okay, that's this one done. Here we go, bathroom. What can I say? Just looking around myself there. Different to the other one. Again, this has had some modernisation. Let me get a better angle if I can. Pretty nice all over, isn't it? I love the telephone style mixer tap. I just think that's great. Wherever you go, I really like that. That's just me. Here we go with the bath. And there isn't much to report, as all bathrooms. Everything is lovely and comes as standard here, like Morton Brown. Used it all actually. It's really good, really good. Traditional, yet up to date in here. Love the style of toilet there. Vanity unit's pretty good. Floor tiles are not cracked. Usually there's some movement, but there isn't. And you get a robe, of course. Right, that's it. I don't know what room this is called. I don't mean like a name like John or Dave. I mean, I don't know what style of room this is. I'm pretty sure it's not your standard inland room. It's an inland room, but it's something like an inland executive room, or there's a certain type of name. I'll put it in the comments below. But I don't know how much it costs per night, because again, I booked just an inland room and this was available at the same charge. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll upload as many more as I can on my travels. Hopefully it's not too fast. If you want me to go slow or pick up on particular points, do leave a comment below just so I know what to do in future. Thank you so much. I'm off to breakfast now, then off to the next destination. Take care, thanks for watching, stay safe.